Look at this, I mean, this is awesome. City of Hyderabad. Hi guys, so I've started from the hotel now and I'm going to Golconda Fort, which is one of the oldest fort in Hyderabad. Welcome to BikeMyBuddy on the second day, Bangalore to Hyderabad. आज का दिन बहुत टायरी रहेगा क्योंकि after this I have to go back Bangalore also, which is again 600 km. Yesterday just came from Bangalore to Hyderabad and I got tired like hell, and I'm just thinking what will happen today. I won't be much bothered because at the end of the day I'll be at my home, which is fine to me. My plan is I'll spend 2 hours there and then go to Charminar, come back to hotel and then push off. So नारियल पानी पी लेते हैं. कितना भैया एक नारियल पानी का? कैसी है ये दुनिया? Okay, so I can see the fort from here. Is it a fort or what? Fort or what? So कुछ fort जैसे तो दिख रहा है, पत्थर किला. It's really nice, man. From outside, it's the visual of this fort is really nice. Damn good, man. So the last Mughal emperor who ruled this fort was Aurangzeb. It's a very old fort, probably 11th century or 12th century. अगर ये fort ही है तो, और it's a gate. I think that probably the entrance of the fort. Okay, so I reached Golconda Fort. It's really close. No parking. Golconda Fort. Why there is no parking? So it's parked. So this is the parking place. Pathetic. Take some money, yeah. Give us a better parking place. That's what they should have done it. So this is the guide map of Golconda Fort inner fortification. Hey guys, I'm inside the Golconda Fort. This fort has spread in huge area. So behind me there is an entrance of the fort. क्या दिखता है इस fort से? My God, this is open, so one can be thrown from here. So I forgot the price of the ticket is 25 rupees. Look at this fort is so huge. अगर सही तरह से घूमे तो इस फोर्ट को घूमने में करीब 2-3 घंटे लग जाएंगे, मे बी उससे भी ज़्यादा. So in the middle of the fort there's a beautiful garden also. So सूरज सर के ऊपर है और गर्मी ज़बरदस्त. So I'm not in the center, but somewhere जहाँ से मुझे on back of my you can see the mosque, and this side you can see it was like a city. So ये पूरा खंडहर की तरह ही है, आधा अधूरा, टूटा फूटा. Probably when the war happened, तो ये सब तोड़ दिया गया होगा. So it's really nice, but it's really hot. So I'm almost on the top of the fort, and from here it's giving a spectacular view of the city and also of the fort. So backside of me you can see the city of Hyderabad, and I'll show you again my back toward this side, the fort. So abhi the mosque is quite near to me, पर मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ. There is another fort which is in Karnataka, that is Chitradurga fort, which is same as this fort. Fine, आगे चलते हैं. But this fort is really nice. बहुत बड़ा fort है ये. You should have enough time to come and explore this each part. You know, take a guide. It is good. We did not have much time, so guide को लेना बनता नहीं था. पता नहीं बॉस मैं कहाँ कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, पर ये इतना बड़ा है कि आप कहीं भी जा सकते हो. I thought कि ये कुछ होगा, पर यहाँ कुछ है नहीं. So एक 360 ले लेते हैं. Spectacular, right? This fort is, guys, if you are in Hyderabad, so this place is for you anytime. Just need to remember that you have to bring a cap because it's really hot here and you have to walk a lot, right? You really have to walk a lot. So better come with an umbrella. Bring water, which is very very important, क्योंकि अंदर पानी allow है. You have to buy water and that the same bottle you have to give it back to them. Okay? So पानी, umbrella, हैंकरचिफ तो लेकर आओ भाई, नहीं तो हाथ से पसीना पोंछते पोंछते थक जाओगे. It's truly unbelievable fort. I really guys don't know this fort was constructed and when this was made. It might be in the 11th or 12th century, and the last ruler was Aurangzeb. भाई मेरे पाँव अभी थर थर काँप रहे हैं. It's shivering क्योंकि इतना हमने चल लिया. So it's too much of hot. So I came to a shop to drink a Tropicana slice. It was really fun in Golconda Fort. This fort is one of the biggest fort in South India. After Golconda Fort, I am going to Charminar. और काफ़ी सुना है चारमीनार के बारे में, सो देख कर आते हैं कि क्या है, कैसा है. Thank you for welcoming. बैक टू होटल. और बाप रे बाप, ये हैदराबाद की गर्मी, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है यहाँ पर. और मैंने अभी स्विगी से ऑर्डर किया अपने लिए खाना. सो खाना आ गया मेरा, खाना हो गया है. सो बैंगलोर के लिए निकलना है, जो कि यहाँ से 600 किलोमीटर है. तो मैं अभी पैकिंग कर लेता हूँ और मिलते हैं नीचे बाइक पे. दिस इज़ इट फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, leaving to Bangalore, and from here another journey started to Bangalore, which is 610 kilometer exactly. अभी क्या ना कि जब तक हम हाईवे तक नहीं निकलते तब तक थोड़ा स्लो ही जाएगा. With this I am taking sweet memories from Hyderabad. Look at this, I mean this is awesome. So the time is 2:40 and the total distance that I have covered is 639. So I have to make a trip A because this is on the trip B, the total distance covered. So trip A मैं 0 कर देता हूँ ताकि वो मुझे बताएगा कि मैं कितना दूर पहुँचा हूँ. Right? I'll do that then. मैंने आज तक इस पे सवारी कभी नहीं किया है. ये तो महाराजा वाला फील करा देगा. क्या हो गया यहाँ पर, इतना जाम क्यों है? कुछ एक्सीडेंट हो गया लग रहा है. एंड आई होप किसी को चोट वोट नहीं लगी हो. I don't know, something happened there. Kurnool, Bangalore, NS44. Left Mumbai, Nagpur. Hey guys, this is the first toll gate. Oh god, I don't have water, I don't have cash, so I need to find an ATM from where I can withdraw some cash. और मैं पानी का बोतल खरीद कर पी सकूं, मुझे बहुत जोर का प्यास लग रहा है. भैया ये ATM कहाँ पर है? ATM नहीं पता. बड़ा मुश्किल से मुझे ये ATM दिखा है SBI का, but it seems like the SBI ATM is closed. Something has happened in this place. क्या हुआ भैया? लारी. हाँ. फायर. Look at the traffic, man, because of that lorry which got burned. Bangalore, 489 kilometers. तो 110 किलोमीटर मैंने कवर किया हुआ है अभी तक. अभी और 480 किलोमीटर कवर करना है। इतना क्या है, चलते रहेंगे 500 किलोमीटर हो या 5000 किलोमीटर हो, बस गाड़ी का साथ सही होना चाहिए। ठीक है, गाड़ी में हवा है, पेट्रोल कम है, तो नेक्स्ट स्टॉप पर पेट्रोल डालेंगे। और Hey guys, this is Sagar Lama. Welcome you to BikeMyBuddy. Second toll gate. It is 4:51. Sorry guys. So it's 4:51 and I've covered a distance of 120 kilometer and it's 2 hour and 15 minutes since I have started from Hyderabad. So they're saying there is no petrol. Petrol नहीं है. What the hell? 700 भी. So this is the third toll gate. अभी टाइम हुआ है 6:15. This is not easy man, this journey. So it's 6:30 almost and 400 kilometer to go. So if you go by the statistics, it will take more 7 hours at around, you know. 6:30 हो रहा है, 7 घंटे का मतलब है 1:30 बज जाएगा. तो मेरा टारगेट है 12:30, 1 बजे के अंदर. So can I push my limit? Here it comes. The rest time. My body is really aching. So it's better to have a tea. Nice tea. So another 5 hours to ride and 290 kilometers to go. Bike headlight is not that great. Whatever it is, I have to reach home safe. You guys also, when you travel at night, ensure that you reach home safe, arrive safe. So 5 hours ride is continuing from here and 290 kilometers to go. So the time is 8:30 and the distance that I have covered is 335 kilometers. So I covered 70 kilometers in 1 hour from 8:30 to 9:30 and another 3.5 hours is required to reach home and the total distance that has to be covered is 187 kilometers. तो देखते हैं, I hope कि उससे पहले मैं पहुंच जाऊं. The Google map is still saying I'll reach home by 1 o'clock. अब देखते हैं. ठीक है, I'll see you on the other side now at home. Bye bye. So अभी हम घर ऑलमोस्ट पहुंचने वाले हैं. More 2 minutes to go. It's only 750 meters from here. और खाना मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया है ऐप से. Oh God, feeling like किसी ने बम पे लात मार दिया. This is it. Finally reached home safely with no trouble. Hey guys, finally reached home and very safely, which is very important कि अब जब बाहर ट्रिप में जाओ तो आपको घर सही सलामत आना है. पूरा थक गया हूँ. 11 आवर्स का कंटिन्यूस राइड वॉज अ डिफिकल्ट जर्नी. बाइक के साथ साथ मेरा भी बॉडी का सर्विसिंग कराना पड़ेगा और वो सर्विसिंग होगा खाना खाकर और बेहतरीन नींद लेकर. 42 आवर्स, 1300 किलोमीटर, so many experiences and long awaited ride which I finish it. So with that note, I have to sign it off now. और मिलेंगे नए ब्लॉग पर नई जगह में. So live a happy life, dream big and follow it. So before that, do what you want to do and be a nice person. Bye bye. Boom. Night time is safe. No man.